Hello everyone, I am Asudur Rahman from Purdue University. I'll be presenting our work SARTRES, a semi-autonomous robot teleoperation environment for surgery, and some recent work that we are doing in this project. Teleoperation has a great potential where modern surgery is not feasible, especially in many austere settings. However, there are challenges in the teleoperation. This process requires to send very large continuous data stream such as robotic kinematic, high definition video, etc., which often requires high bandwidth. In addition, surgery is a continuous process and any interruption can cause severe damage to the patient. We aim to tackle these issues by sending high-level commands, we call it surgim, which is small in size instead of a huge data stream. And for the delay, we allow the robot to perform for a short time procedure autonomously when safely possible. Here is the overview of SARTRES framework. The operator works with a simulation that corresponds to the remote robot's environment. A recognition module recognizes high-level surgical actions from the trajectory and video scene. The recognized high-level surgical actions are sent to the remote robot through a communication network. The remote robot relies on high-level instruction for its execution. In recent development, we expanded our framework with feedback. In this scenario, the recognized surgeon sent to the remote robot continuously. An LSTM-based recognition module predicts a surgeon or action leveraging history of activity data. The execution module receives this prediction confidence and decides when to start executing with a confidence threshold. For the feedback, minimal information, that is object and gripper coordinates, are sent to the operator side, and the alpha blended movement, which is shown in the yellow color, is reconstructed in the simulation. Here is a demonstration of the full framework. The robotic arm in yellow color showing the current status of the remote robot. The operator started searching, and with a good prediction, the remote robot perform approach and wait for the next command, which is align and grasp. In this case, the robot finishes the searching before the operator because of accurate searching and parameter prediction. When the operator finishes approach and started align and grasp, the recognition module predicts the searchings and parameters. It start execution, align and grasp.